Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of AustinMy_238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Do I sound sad? I said
Yes, you sound very sad. You don't want to go home.
I know, huh? Oh boy, how do I start off the vlog with saying the sad voice?
No, so get happy, boys.
Okay. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog.
Good morning.
So, today I think we're gonna go home. So, yeah. I don't want to leave Texas. I gotta miss all my best friends and I don't want to leave them behind.
We'll be back. We'll
But
take you back.
I can't go back to Texas in 2 weeks because I have Women's Fair and also this weekend I have Easter extravaganza.
Yes, we're busy.
So Easter extravaganza is coming up and also Easter, and then after that, the following weekend is Women's Fair. So
We're busy.
yeah, so I can't go back to Texas just yet. So I'll still plan a trip. So yeah. And maybe sometime maybe I can find a second house in Texas.
I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. We did have a home in Wichita, so yeah, but Texas is kind of an easy drive, so yeah. But anyway, I think we gotta get things ready, get things packing, and get out of here. So, but what are we gonna do today before we go
We're
home?
going to do a lot of fun stuff today before we go home.
So yeah, let's do this, guys. And also, I still have to finish up editing the wedding video, so I have a lot of work to do. So yeah, but anyway, I think the wedding video should be posted soon. So yeah, but just be patient. I still have to finish up editing, so I still have to work on editing the wedding videos. Is that right, Mom?
Yes, that's right.
So yeah, it's not done. So yeah, hopefully I can try my best on editing the video here. So yeah. So I have bags all packed, about to leave the room now. So gonna miss our room.
Feels like it's stuck and it doesn't.
Door's stuck. We can't get out. We can't get out.
Trina, it's okay.
Right now it's open. Oh boy. Woman door is finally broken. Oh boy. At least we made it out.
Yes, here, Trina, I need your. I mean,
When Grapevine builds, here's what the outside has been renovated for years. So yeah, for those of you who are here, welcome. This is what the Grapevine builds looks like. So yeah. Have you been trying to cafe? Look at that Coke phone holder. Oh my goodness.
That's the color of your mom's
Oh
purse.
my. We're at Disney store now. So yeah, we're going to the Disney store out there. So I'm going with this wooden booze with a Disney dancer. I'm getting paid with because I love minute of food. And the iPhone case for my iPhone 10 by Southlake Townsquare. Yeah, you know. Look at this. I got Sonic, I got by Mills.
Keep in mind, for some reason I'm starting today, so. No, I'm just saying, go ahead. No, I'll share something with you too.
And cheese pie. So yeah, gotta eat while I'm getting caught up on Princess TV. Hopefully you guys watch. I just got caught up on Princess TV, and while I'm eating lunch, when I was Hot Topic, looking for some stuff. So yeah. They have Japanese candies here.
Oh, I didn't give you
a FYE, so yeah, we're working at stuff, so yeah. We used to have FYE, but it closed down at Town East.
Yeah.
So yeah. We're Build-A-Bear, and they have a Chubby Cubby from 1997. That's what I'm gonna get it. This is part of the 25th anniversary collection here. So yeah, I'm getting a Chubby Cubby. Look at this.
What about this shirt?
I'm extra.
Look at this.
I'm so extra.
Look at this. Huge.
I think
There's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Fixed up the Bucks lunch to well before we head to Southlake and go home. So yeah. You're not gonna believe this. There is a Casino Japan store. It came all the way from Japan. Look at this. I just want to make a quick peek before I get my meals. Because I want to go shopping. I mean, you know, high cheese, all kinds of Japanese stuff. I mean, wow. This is fantastic. Oh yeah, bowls of ramen. Wow, look at this.
It's very cheap. Yeah.
First time shopping at Disco Japan. They are cheap here. So I used to call it lame, but it's lame.
Alright,
But in America, it costs way cheap.
Yes.
So yeah, I definitely just want stuff like that store right there because there's so many Japanese stuff right there. Definitely guys stop by. They're located in Grapevine Mills. So yeah.
They're probably from that
Oh,
big.
that's
Chicken
cute.
in his mouth.
Look at
Put a penny in
that.
his mouth.
Look at this. Did you see that? Wow.
I see lightning.
Oh wow. Oh my. Here's the Hilton. That's the one that stayed all the time in Southlake Townsquare. You guys were doing a lot of things like 2010, 2011, 2012, all that matters.
In Copeland.
My favorite Copeland's. Look at this. It used to be a Hopkins,
no! They
but it
changed the
changed
name.
to Evo Entertainment.
Apple Store.
Look at this. Look at that. Good looking Apple Store. Look at that. This is real Southlake Townsquare. Alright guys, so we're at Southlake Townsquare. My aunt is doing something on the phone in the car. So it's just us before engine comes. Join us. So yeah, we're working at Southlake Townsquare. Look at that, see Tyler. I remember this. Look at that. I remember shopping at Tyler's. Feels good. Feels good. I have a hydro rescue. Yeah. Sierra does read hyper fresh.
Does she?
Yeah. Princess's daughter. Look at that. She's trying on the Nike, so look at that. She's trying on the Nike. This little familiar, guys. The Nike section. I'm wearing a Nike watch fan. Look at that. Well, that took an hour and a half just to circle around. What do you think, Mom?
I love it.
It took an hour and a half.
Really
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we saw my Tyler's though before I left. Well, the Apple Store, I have a quick look around the box. Yeah, okay, so. I think they're doing some today at Apple stuff. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it. I feel like I don't get anything, so yeah.
Oh, there's your all your different adapters.
Look at all the stands, there's so many adapters. Look at that. Look at that, HomePod minis.
Hey, sorry, make it
Look at
warmer
that.
so you can get to.
We're looking at AirPod free cases because I just got that tomorrow. But look what it's doing right there. They're doing the Apple systems right there. So, yeah. They have a sprinkles vending machines there.
We always like this
Wow.
banana, right?
Look at that. Southlake Townsquare, they have sprinkles.
They have
cupcakes. Yeah, it's crazy. So that's
Because it's too late.
Fishy home to Wichita. So anyway, we're going to return this winter car tomorrow. Isn't that sad, Mom?
That is very sad, Trina.
Yeah, we are missing a winter car, the Honda Accord. So we have to return the car tomorrow morning. My aunt's coming over to pick my mom up just to return the car before she goes to work tomorrow. So it's kind of sad that we're going to miss the rental car. So yeah. So it is going to be returned to Enterprise. So yeah. Get a one last view of the Honda Accord. So yeah, I'm going to miss that rental car. But hopefully my mom's gonna find a Accord or Encore. So yeah, but I believe someone is a sedan or a mini SUV. So yeah, but we still have to pay off our Tahoe. So yeah. But anyway, about to go inside, get myself in, and go lay down, shut up different devices, get caught up on It's So Live, Emma and Ellie's family, and This Is How We Make 'Em, and Paige and Mr. Mello. So yeah, and also I haven't seen Quintus on Twitch for like a few days ago, so I'm probably gonna watch Quintus on Twitch. And yeah, it's back to normal routine. But this weekend is the Easter extravaganza, and also Easter, and then the following weekend it is the Women's Fair. And then after that, my eye appointment. So make sure to stay tuned to this vlogs in the coming days and in the coming weeks. So yeah, right now I'm going inside, get myself situated, and we'll wrap up this vlog. And also, all my dogs missed me, so yeah. Anyway, I gotta get it settled.
Here, help me.
So I guess it's time to say goodbye to this little beauty, Honda Accord. So, Honda Accord, I'm going to miss you. Alright guys, back in my room, settled down, watching some Emma and Ali's family on YouTube on my Switch. After that, I gotta watch This Television, It's So Live, and Paige Mr. Mello, so yeah. But anyway, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog. Hoping you guys enjoy this amazing trip to Dallas, Texas to watch Divya get married to Zack. So shout out to Divya and Zack for getting married, so I'm really do appreciate it. So yeah, right now, this weekend is Easter extravaganza and also Easter. And then also the following weekend is the Women's Fair, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And then also my eye appointment, so yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures far to be. And next watching, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.